Hello and welcome to my channel. Right, today, the other day I did fireworks, so tonight I'm going to do the flames for the bonfires. So I've got these lovely flames here, lovely blue ones. And I've got some glitter, really pretty, and it has a lovely shimmery blue going through it. It's picking up well on the camera actually. And that's from Glitter Planet. And the Born Pretty, this is the last one I'll be doing, trying the products that they've sent me. And this is the Moonlight Cat Magnetic Gel. And I've got a magnet as well, so that I'll be using. And it is just beautiful, this colour. So I'm going to do a full coat on all, and then on the second one I'll be using the magnet. So I'll show you the first one. See if I can show you a bit closer. Gorgeous. That's just to give it the background. Like that. And pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then again I'll be doing it with the second coat. In case you're wondering, I'm whispering because all the dogs have gone to sleep and I don't want them to wake up right now. So I'm just putting a nice generous helping on there, and then making it so I can't see any brush strokes. Then grabbing the magnet, and just popping lots of little bits of light through it. So cool. See that? So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. That's out of the lamp. And then I'm going to get my glitter. This one's called Caterpillar. Bit of an odd name. Caterpillar, but can you see those lovely shots of blue? I'm just going to get my dotting tool and just dip into this gorgeous bag of glitter, and I'm just going to pop little pieces all around at the top. Because it still has a little bit of a sticky coat on it. And then where they've doubled up, I'm just going to spread them about, just so we've not bulked. I don't like bulky glitter. I prefer a nice smooth finish. I'm just taking my time, making sure that there's no doubly bits and that they've all got stuck down. I think that one's got a doubly bit, but for some reason it's not moving. Right, I just want to get a couple more pieces. Whoops. There's always one that jumps and goes where I don't want it. Right, Just 1 second. Just going to try and remove that. There we go. And we'll pop that there. Like that. And then I just like to press down with my finger just to make sure there's no bits sticking up. There's another little escapee. That should be far enough down that it won't matter. Oh no, I'm going to be able to get it anyway. There we go. So there we have the glitter. And then I'm going to get the Born Pretty top coat. And I'm just going to go over all of this. That's why, see how it was sticking to the brush? That's why it's important to make sure that all the glitter is stuck down. Otherwise it starts to grab your brush. And I don't want too thin a layer because I want to magnify that glitter. Just a second, got a bit of glitter on my brush. I just think it really makes glitter pop when you have a beautiful top coat over, like that. And then I'm putting that in for 60 seconds. So there we go. That's out the lamp. And now I've got these flame stickers. And I want a nice big one. Probably this one. Going to stick that there. Like that. And then I've got these unusual stickers here. Fairly sure I bought these from Temu. And I'm going to pop another one because the blue matches perfectly. And they can sort of represent Catherine wheels, if you know what Catherine wheels are, if they still have them. They probably do. But I remember as a child watching the Catherine wheel that was fixed onto a tree. So I'm just making sure all of that is stuck down over that glitter, like that. And then I'm going over the whole lot with top coat again, so that it's nice and smooth. And it also sort of makes it look not bigger, but it's like magnifies it in a way, highlights it, makes it stand out. I'm reaching for a word, but I can't think how you say it. Go. And I'll pop that under the lamp, and that's the first nail finished. So that's out the lamp, and I've just done the same here with the glitter, and I'm just popping the opposite sticker so that it's facing towards the middle of the hand on this one. So this is like the ring finger. So I'm basically doing the same on the thumb as the ring finger. Now when you're taking stickers off, always be careful, because when the shapes go outwards, you can always find they can rip really easy. So you want to try and get that lifted at the same time. And then should follow a little easier. There we go. And then I'm just placing that on the nail just so I can adjust it. So I want that in the corner and that coming down like that. There we go. Nothing like a Catherine wheel, but it's my interpretation. So again, now you just go over the whole thing with top coat, this Born Pretty top coat. Like that. In the lamp for 60 seconds. There you go. So that's the thumb and the ring finger done. Right, so going that way. Hold on a minute. No. Yeah. So I'm going to do this finger now, pointy finger, and I'm going to do it all in glitter. So I'm going to do 2 coats of this, which is the Moonlight Cat Magnetic Gel, and that's, oh, did I say the number? MC06. Hold on. I'll just fasten it up and you can see for yourself. So I'll just do 2 coats of this. The first coat I don't do with the magnet, I'm just getting it on there, because I don't want to see the plastic nail through it. So going on to the second coat. Get my magnet. And it just gives you those little shots of light. Very clever. I don't know how they do it. It's very clever. It's just deciding where you want it. That's pretty. Yeah, that's nice. Now this time, before I pop it in, I'm going to do the whole nail with glitter. So I'm just getting some ready by the side there. So I'm just going to dab that on, and then I can move it around as we go. A bit more, because it's going to be full of glitter, but you still want to be able to see the moonlight through it. That makes sense. Very pretty. Need an extra hand. I'm just going to hold this up so I can get some to the side. Like that. That's pretty. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then if you look at these stickers, we've got this little monkey here. He's holding a little ghetto blaster on his shoulder. So another 80s vibe. And there's another monkey up here, the same, and there's also little signs with monkeys, really cute stickers. So I'm just going to get my nail and grab my monkey. He's quite big. going to stand him here. He's on the way to the bonfire, playing his music. And I'm going to grab one of these gold signs. Try that one. Can't get it off. Little bit. Yeah, there we go. Saying monkey. I'm just going to have that like that. And then I'm going to do the same on this one for the glitter. There you go, just the same. And then with this one, I'm going to do the monkey at the top. So again, peeling him off. He's going to sit up at the top because the other monkey was down the bottom. There he is. And then there's these little, I think, radios. I think they're little radios, either radios or cassettes. Again, the 80s vibe, whichever. So we'll just pop that at an angle, like that. And then there's a little monkey here. Fairly sure that's a monkey. And he's got little headphones on. Like that. And that just leaves the one nail. Just deciding whether to do glitter. Right, yes, I will do glitter. I'm in a glittery mood, and I think that it would look odd if we just left one nail without glitter. So I'm just going to take it out of the lamp because I've done one coat of the Moonlight cat from Born Pretty. I'm going to do this second coat of that and then use the magnet. So this time I can screw it up because it's finished. So pretty. And once again, just tipping the glitter in the bag so that it all comes to the front. I could have poured it into a tray, I suppose. And then I'm just scattering it around. Just tipping that. It's funny when you're holding something and it suddenly just leaps out your hand. There's only you can have made it do that, but I'm just picking up these little bits. Waste not, want not. There we go. Fasten up the bag. Right, I popped that in for 60 seconds and now I'm going to go over it with the top coat. Again, trying to do it lightly so that the glitter does not catch onto the brush, but you will get little pieces. Try and wipe them back on, but if they insist, then use your little pad and just wipe on the pad, or a tissue or anything, but I prefer a pad because tissue can leave little bits on the brush as well. And then just go over it best you can, lightly. What you don't want is to transfer glitter back into your bottle, because that can ruin your top coat. There you go, like that. Check your brush and then put that in for 60 seconds. So that's out of the lamp, and now I'm just going to do one more flame going up the middle, probably this one. Like that. And then I've got these circles, and they'll match the circles that are on here as well. So I'm just going to put a big circle there. Like that. I'll top coat that and then I'll be back with the reveal. And here's the reveal. So that's my version of an 80s firework night, bonfire night. So you've got your Catherine wheels. These are your little Catherine wheels, and your fire. Obviously, you know, you don't get blue fire, but like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!